In the world of interior design, green has always held a special place. It brings tranquility, balance, and a sense of closeness to nature, three essential elements many people seek when creating a comfortable and harmonious home. Behr, one of the leading paint manufacturers, offers a range of green shades with unique characteristics that can shape the atmosphere of every corner of a house. From soft grayish greens to deep forest-inspired tones, each shade carries its own beauty and story. In this video, we'll explore 10 of Behr's best green color options that can serve as inspiration to enhance your space. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next design inspiration. Let's get started. Number 1. Jojoba from Behr. Jojoba is a harmonious blend of green and gray, creating a soft and calming ambiance. This color is highly versatile, making it suitable for various rooms, from bedrooms and living rooms to workspaces. Its balanced tone delivers a soothing effect, making it the perfect choice for anyone seeking a peaceful space with a modern, minimalist style. Number 2. Riverdale from Behr. Riverdale features a medium green character with a subtle touch of dusty gray. This color exudes a calm impression, is easy to pair with various palettes, and instantly creates a cozy atmosphere. It's perfect for living rooms or reading nooks, as it brings a peaceful vibe that invites relaxation without drawing attention away from other decorative elements. Number 3. Fresh Artichoke from Behr. Fresh Artichoke M340-5 is the perfect choice for those who want to refresh a room with a retro-inspired yet modern green. Its tone is a medium green with a touch of yellow that brings a warm and lively feel. This color is ideal for kitchens, dining rooms, or creative areas that need new energy and a cheerful atmosphere. Number 4. Jungle Camouflage from Behr. Jungle Camouflage N350-4 is a soft grayish green that is highly versatile. This color creates a relaxed impression without drawing too much attention, making it perfect for those who want an effortless room transformation. It can be used for both interiors and exteriors, from home facades to modern bedrooms. Number 5. Royal Orchard from Behr. Royal Orchard is the ideal choice for lovers of deep green shades that bring an elegant and luxurious feel. This color reflects the richness of nature's beauty, creating a warm and dramatic atmosphere. It is perfect for accent walls, dining rooms, home libraries, or rooms with classic or contemporary styles. Number 6. Nature's Gift from Behr. Nature's Gift offers a grounded, stable gray-green hue. As its name suggests, this color reflects a gift from nature, warmth, tranquility, and comfort. It is suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, or any space that you want to fill with a soft, modern, natural vibe. Number 7. Moth's Wing from Behr. Moth's Wing is a very soft green-white shade, inspired by the shimmer of a moth's wings, fluttering in natural light. This color is almost white with a subtle hint of green, ideal for those who want a bright atmosphere while maintaining a natural feel. It is perfect for small rooms or minimalist-style spaces. Number 8. Spice Garden from Behr. Spice Garden M370-3 brings a leafy green hue reminiscent of a blend of rosemary and sage. This color creates the sensation of bringing a garden indoors. It is perfect for kitchens, dining rooms, or yoga spaces that seek a touch of tranquility and natural freshness. Number 9. Sun Valley from Behr. Sun Valley P370-7 is an energetic dark green inspired by Summer Valley landscapes. This color provides a sense of exploration and calm at the same time, making it perfect for creative spaces, bedrooms, or living rooms that need an intimate yet lively touch. Number 10. Seaweed Salad from Behr. Seaweed Salad is a deep, shadowy green that evokes a dark yet calming atmosphere, much like an underwater kelp forest. This color delivers a unique visual drama, and is ideal for making a statement on an accent wall, modern bedrooms, or rooms with warm lighting. Each green shade from Behr has its own unique character. Some are soft and calming, while others are deep and dramatic. When choosing a color, consider the atmosphere you want to create, the room's lighting, and the other decorative elements you want to highlight. By selecting the right color from the list above, you can create a space that is not only visually beautiful, but also evokes feelings of peace, warmth, and a closer connection to nature.